Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2024 Nissan Rogue, and I will show you which fuses to check in case you're having problems with the power outlets or a cigarette lighter. This video will apply to third generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so all the fuses you want to check will be located in the small fuse box under the steering wheel, just behind this cover. So you want to pull this cover towards yourself to access the fuse box. On the back side of the cover you also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so your power outlet fuses are fuse number 19, which is a 20 amp fuse right here, fuse number 67, which is a 20 amp fuse located here, and fuse number 69, which is supposed to be here, but this one depends on your trim level. So lower end trims will not have this fuse and higher end trims will probably have it. So these are the three fuses you want to check. Now, in case all of these fuses prove to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You'll have to check the faulty power outlet. You want to check if the power is coming to it. So you want to check the electrical connections. If the power is coming to it, then the power outlet failed. If it's not, you might have a wiring issue. But first thing, always check the fuses. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.